In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a Shopify trial. To begin, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. This is the official Shopify website, and it is the safest place to start your trial. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Start Free Trial. It is usually placed near the top of the homepage where it is easy to see. Click Start Free Trial to move into the sign-up process. Next, Shopify will ask you to create an account. You will enter an email address that you can access because Shopify may send important messages like account confirmation and store setup reminders. After you type in your email, you will create a password for your account. Choose something secure and unique that you will remember and keep it stored safely. When you have entered your email and password, click the button to create your account. After your account is created, you may see an option to pick a plan. Shopify often displays a banner near the bottom of the screen with a promotional offer, such as a discounted rate for the first few months. This is common during the trial sign-up flow, and it is meant to help you transition from the trial into a paid plan later. If you are ready, you can select the plan that matches your needs. In general, choose a plan based on the features you expect to use, like the number of staff accounts, reporting tools, or shipping options. If you are not ready to choose a plan yet, you can usually skip this part and continue with the trial setup. Skipping does not stop you from exploring Shopify. It simply means you will decide on the plan later, once you have had a chance to look around the admin area and understand what features you actually need. At this point, your Shopify trial is started, and you can begin setting up your store when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know.